Hey everyone, let's build a wall-mounted heater with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 4x6 plate. You can use any size you wish for your floor. In the back portion, a 1x6 flat tile. Then I'm going to proceed on with a 1x6 plate. This is going to be our footing. And two more 1x6 flat tiles. The flat tiles are going to be hardwood floor. Then right in the center, I'm going to place a set of 1x2 plates right on top of one another. Take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate. This is going to be the bottom portion of our wall heater. Let's place a set of 1x2 jumper plates right on the bottom. And be sure your jumper plates are this style right here. Now in this opening, a 1x2 brick, and then we're going to take a downwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plate, place it on like so. On one side of our assembly, I'm going to attach a 1x2 radiator grill and a 1x2 jumper plate. Let's crown off that jumper plate with a stud. And then we're going to rotate this around, and on the back side, another 1x2 radiator grill and a 1x2 flat tile. You may have to line up these jumper plates a bit. And on the top, a set of 1x2 jumper plates. Now let's install our lower portion of our wall-mounted heater right on top of the 1x2 plates. For the upper portion of our wall-mounted heater, take a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plate. I'm going to place a 1x2 brick in the back. Then let's set down a 1x2 by 2x2 downwards angular plate. Now I'm going to face one side off with a 1x2 flat tile and a 1x2 radiator grill. We're going to rotate this around, and we're going to do the same thing again with another 1x2 flat tile and a 1x2 radiator grill. On the top, a set of 1x2 jumper plates. Now let's set our upper portion of our wall-mounted heater right on top of the 1x2 jumper plates. Let's assemble some walls around our heater. I'm going to take 5 1x2 bricks. I'm going to place these on top of one another. I'm going to make two columns. I'm going to set one on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the heater. Then on top, I'm going to stack two 1x6 bricks on top of one another, and I'm going to finish this off with a flat tile to complete the wall-mounted heater.